Hey guys, thank you for being with me here today for this video, which I'm really excited about. Today I am playing with the brand new Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow palette. Now, you might be wondering which one I got. I didn't get the one that is like the super cult classic favorite because honestly, I just wasn't drawn to that super nude wet look. But I was still curious about the classic space cowboy that everybody rants and raves about, and I wanted to know, was it really worth the hype? So I did end up picking the space cowboy up in a single. So today I'm going to create a look with these Moondust eyeshadows. I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet, but let's open the palette and look at it. What is the name of the one that I got? Galactic Cowgirl. Super cute. Ooh, yeah. See? Oh, so pretty. These are the colors. Hold on, I can't hold it. These are the colors that I was drawn to, especially this one and that one. So, yeah, I'm going to just put it on my eyes today and see how it looks. But if you're looking at my face wondering, what is it? I can't quite place my finger on it, but something about her face looks not quite right. Let's not go there. But what I'm referring to is you might notice that my mascara is a different color on each eye. Or maybe you can't really tell, but you do kind of see a difference in the way the eyes are enhanced a little bit from the lashes. So I just finished filming my Brown versus Black Essence Lash Princess Showdown. Check that video out if you haven't already. But yeah, so that's why my mascara is two different colors. And instead of washing it off, I decided that it would help me see if I like the way that the brown mascara looks with some of the eyeshadows. So I'm going to just play with maybe like one or two of the shadows today and create a pretty soft wearable look. Should I pull a matte in? I think most people use a matte with these, but I don't even know what kind of brush I should use with this. I'm going to go with my Angie Hot and Flashy flat shimmer brush, okay? And I honestly don't even know if I should use any glitter glue or what. I'm going to try it just without so I can see if the fallout is horrible or not. And I'm going to start off with this really pretty blue one because I can't help myself. It's kind of creamy. Ooh, lots of fallout. Oh, I'm scared. Lots of fallout, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so soft and ethereal. I just want to see if it's going to stay on my eye or if it's going to end up like all over my face. That is so pretty all by itself. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to try another coat because I just want to see. Wow. That is so pretty. I love that color so much. It's so like icy blue. All right, now I am going to try, this brush here from Singe Beauty, and let's just see how it applies on the other eye. I'm going to try a different color altogether. I'm going to try this pink one. Here are the shade names. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, see, that other one just didn't have enough pigment to draw my attention to it. I know that it was like really more for the clean girl aesthetic, simple wet eye girlies, but that's just not my vibe. I really wanted some color with the sparkle, and so this was the one that really was calling to me. I think that is so pretty, and I'm surprised that I don't have any fallout. I have just the teeniest, tiniest. Okay, I'm starting to see just like a couple of little sparkles here and there, but not as much as I would expect, quite frankly. Okay, so there's my first impression with those. I do want to just try to use the other colors and just see what they look like. I am going to end up washing my face here in a minute, so might as well just play with it. And for funsies, let's see what this gold one is like. Where would we want to go? Let's do it with the red. It's really dark, so that's not going to be an inner corner color. This is going to be more of like an eyelid color, and I'm just going to put it up here so I can just see what color it is, not on the red, and just see what it looks like. It's not where I would normally put it, but just for funsies, we're just going to see what it looks like. That actually does look pretty there with the other one. Wow. Ooh, that did kind of go nicely with the red there together, actually. All right, let me try that now with the blue one. I'm going to use this last one here, this white one. Let's just see. I feel like it's not going to be the right place for it over there, but let's just look for it here. See what it looks like here. See how intense is it in the inner corner. Pretty freaking intense. So yeah, can you see how intense that is? Yeah, that is definitely gonna be a lid color. Let's just add it over the blue and make it a little icy. See how intense that makes it. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I don't like it in the inner corner. That's a for sure. Don't like it in the inner corner. Wonder if I have a brush that I can remove that with. Let me see. Boy, when these go on, they stick. Okay, so I did get a lot of fallout now messing with that, but I really like the way the colors look as a one and done on the eye. So, I mean, I was just putting the others down nearby just to see what they looked like, but yeah, for fun, let's take a little bit of the white one and put it up here just to see what it looks like. It's actually kind of nice there. It's a little intense to have the sparkle go up so high, but it doesn't look overpowering here from the front. So it's actually kind of nice. I like the way that paired together. Now I'm going to take a little bit of it on the other side and just put it here on the very, very top to go on top of the orangey one. And now here I've got a 3 stack of all 3 of those colors there. I like the way that looks. Okay, now for fun, I'm going to take a little bit more of that white one and I'm just going to put it here on the red one. Let's just see what happens. Let's see how that changes it. It just made it a little bit more pinky and super sparkly. Okay, so this is really going to be more of like a one and done, glitter all over the eye kind of an eyeshadow palette for me. And yeah, probably something that I would pair with, like, say, my pastel palette. I feel like these two would go really nice together because I've got some like red matte, kind of like deeper red shimmer matte type color. Is it a matte? No, it's a shimmer. But you've got these like, you know, pinky deep mattes that can go nicely with the red sparkle from the Moondust. So that might be a nice pairing together. Let me know if you would like for me to create a look with these two together for you on my channel. I would be happy to do that. Okay, well, yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I had a lot of fun checking out the brand new, well, it's been out for a few weeks already. I I had a heck of a time trying to resist these, and honestly, I made up my mind too late. By the time I decided to buy them, the other one was sold out. I was going to buy both of them, even though this was the one that I really wanted. I was having a little bit of a hesitation about spending $80 on them because it was $40 for the palette, especially because the other one I was just a little bit lukewarm about. This was the one I was really excited about because, again, like I said, the colorful aspect of it. But yeah, by the time I decided to pick it up, it was sold out. So the other one was. So that was why I picked up the single here. But next time I will dip into this and just create a look with that, like maybe in a chatty get ready with me or something. But yeah, I'm so glad that I was able to get at least one of those two palettes, and I really like it. I look forward to playing with it and just using it with a bunch of other palettes. So yeah, stay tuned to my Instagram if you want to see future looks. But yeah, that's going to do it for now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.